Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all my new subscribers. I'm so happy that you're here. Today we're going to just go ahead and do a quick clean with me. I'm not going to do anything too crazy, but I did want to start decorating for fall, so you guys will get to see that. But first off, I just wanted to say a few things. This is from an email I got over the weekend. It says, "Please do not judge the timing of your life against what's unfolding for others. Your journey is yours alone and ideally orchestrated for your maximum growth." It just kind of reminded me about why everybody is here. It's whether you meet somebody and they have a terrible relationship with them or situation with them, or they gave them trauma or whatever. I believe that everything that you come in contact with is leading you to where you need to be. It's letting you have that growth. It's letting you get to enlightenment, to heaven, to whatever you believe in. We're here on earth for this earthly journey. So with that, let's go ahead and get into the cleaning.
It's too late not to let it go, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it all we had. It's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, 'cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here right now before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does.
So I recently actually just got this couch deep cleaned, and so I'm not going to vacuum it too much because my dog Alice is not actually allowed on this couch anymore. What happened is she spilled a chocolate milkshake, which did not come out. So I had to get all new pillows, and I mean the couch looks great now, but I can't have her on the couch anymore. But I wanted to ask you guys' opinion on the new pillows. I think they look really good, and they're like a suede blue because the white ones got really nasty with my dog's black hair. So let me know in the comments below what you think.
Reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
So now I'm just going to go ahead and begin decorating. I'm going to grab this candlestick I got from Hobby Lobby and this like pumpkin with these pearls. Really cute. It fit perfectly on the stand. And then I'm actually going to grab that vase that I just moved to the centerpiece, but I thought it looked really nice with it. But I wanted something else, so I kind of played around with a few things. I was thinking like some spooky books, but I just didn't really like it. So you'll see the end results at the end.
Real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so if what we're doing is bad. There's so many emotions, sharing stories that we never had. Yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes. They never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.